Hey, what's up, misers? It's been quite some time since I've had rolls of quarters from the bank. I picked up these bad boys today, and I'm going to find some silver. Okay, here's a 2009 quarter I found. Let me tell you why these are important. In 2009, there were 6 different quarters minted. Now, these quarters are key dates because of the limited quantity that was minted. So far in these rolls, I've found Guam, District of Columbia, and Puerto Rico. Here on the Coin Update website, you can see the 6 different quarters that were minted in 2009. And down here, this is why they're key dates, because of the total mintage. There were far more District of Columbia quarters minted that year. And there's a very valuable error that was done on the DC quarter. You're going to want to know what to look for on this quarter in case you come across it in pocket change sometime. And you can see how low the mintage is for the Guam quarter, American Samoa, U.S. Virgin Islands, and Northern Mariana Islands. Anytime I come across a 2009 quarter, even if it's in bad shape, I hang on to it because of the low mintage. The value of these coins, even in lower grades, is just going to continue to go up because of the limited amount available. Now, if you have something in a high grade, that's going to be even better. So make sure when you come across these 2009 quarters, you hang on to them. Here's another variety to keep an eye out for. This is a 2015 Homestead quarter. Here's what you want to look for on this one. Some of the most valuable coins that exist out there are called doubled dies. On this particular coin, there's a well-known doubled die on some of these quarters that were minted at Philadelphia. There's a couple different varieties you want to keep an eye out for on this quarter. You want to look for doubling on the windows right here. There's also a variety where the pump handle is doubled. So you'll see a pump handle and then what you could consider a reflection in the window of another pump handle. If you don't see either of those, you want to take a look at the bottom of the bucket. There's a die chip that's well known where it looks like extra material is at the bottom of this bucket right here because of the die chip. Now also there's what's called snow on the roof, and that's another variety where because of a die chip you might see what appears to be extra material on the top of the roof, either on the left side or the right side. Now the die chips aren't going to add much value to your coin at all. They're fun to find and it's nice to keep a couple of them for your collection. But the doubling that I talked about on the window pane and also the pump handle are a little bit more rare and make your quarter worth a little bit more. If you find any of those, make sure you're checking prices. Now, you're probably not going to find them on PCGS or an auction website, but you should be able to see current prices on eBay. Make sure you're checking all of your 2019 and 2020 quarters for the W mint mark on the obverse of the quarter. Both of these have a P mint mark, but you can still find West Point minted quarters in circulation, and you'll know it by the W instead of the P on the quarters. If you don't know what to look for on this 2004 Wisconsin quarter that'll let you know whether or not you've got a valuable variety, make sure you click that link on the top right of your screen and check out that video. Anytime you find a quarter that just doesn't look right, make sure you take some time to check it out, do some research, look at YouTube videos to try to identify what you're looking at, because sometimes it's hard to tell if what you're looking at on the coin is because of environmental damage, post-mint damage, or something that happened at the mint during the process. Here's a 1995 quarter from Bermuda. Our first foreign coin in these rolls. Sometimes you're just not going to find anything good, but if it was easy, it wouldn't be fun, right? Click the link on the right for a quick 2-minute video that could be worth $3,000 to you.